Hi, my name's Desiree, and I'm going to show you in this video 3 things that you guys can do to bring more business in and generate sales leads. Most likely you're wondering why I'm taking my time to do this video for you. Well, you're lucky because I do understand what most business owners spend their time doing. A lot of business owners are too busy running their business to know how the internet can benefit them and their company. Sometimes the only hesitation they have in hiring someone is they don't know who's an expert and who's not. I've found that by giving people a free, easy attack plan of things that you can do and implement on your own, sometimes you do just take that and implement it on your own, and other times what you do is end up hiring me. So it ends up benefiting you either way. So if by the end of this video you do find that you would like to learn more, just give me a call and I'm happy to chat with you. So now let me go ahead and show you those 3 things that you can do to set your company above the rest and bring in those sales leads. The first thing here is on your home page. What you want to make sure you have is about 1,500 words of content with keywords that will help you optimize your content with Google and get you ranked above your competitors. So if you pull up this free tool called SEO Quake, all you need to do is add it to your Google Chrome extensions and click on page info. It'll tell you that you have about 1,600 words, so you're doing really well with your content. What you want to go back in and do is make sure that you're bolding the keywords that you're trying to optimize with Google so that it will actually rank you up higher. And the top 5 words right now that are ranking with people in your industry are the word awning, retractable awning, awnings, sunshade, and patio sunscreens. So I do see that you have the word awnings in there and you are ranking in Google for that, but you would definitely benefit by adding the others that I mentioned. Now, your top competitor here in our area is the Outside Shade Company. They are ranking above you for keywords as well as content design. And then your second highest competitor is Arizona Awnings. So you definitely want to keep an eye on them and make sure that you're doing what you can to rank above them. These are things that you could easily do is by adding those content keywords. So when you do a Google search, the first thing that comes up here is, I just typed in awnings and shades near me. The Google Map Pack comes up, which you can see you're not part of. The sponsored people, these are the people who are paying for ads, come up. But the first thing you want to know about ads is that studies do show that ads are only semi-effective. They do become a money pit if you're not using them effectively. They can be effective because a lot of times they are who you see first. But when you start looking at the searches, you're not actually seeing those first with every keyword. The second thing we want to talk about here are citations. When you look up your company, you're seeing only about 30 business citations. That is what helps you rank in that Google Map Pack. Now, you obviously will see more listings when you pull up just Google Maps, but you do want to be in the top 3, and that's how you rank in those top 3. So the White Spark, this is a piece of software that you can use for free, but you also can pay for it. It costs about $80 a month. Citations are your business listings for like Yelp, the Better Business Bureau, MapQuest, Google Business Page. They're submitted word for word based on what you have listed with your Google Business page, as well as Facebook, Instagram. So you want to make sure that you have more citation sources than your competitors. The ideal number is between 200 and 300, and that's going to definitely get you enough citations to rank above your competitors. Third, we want to look at your backlinks. So backlinks are something that is called link juice. So when you search and you see in Google that your site is not number 1, you have the Outside Shade Company below Yelp. They're the ones who are listed as number 1. That's authoritative sites that are giving juice back to the Outside Shade Company. This is what you want to do to beat out your competitors. So basically site A is pointing to site B and it acts as link juice. You want to make sure that you're going out to sites that are relevant in your industry. For example, not like a Pizza Hut, because you're not out selling pizzas for a living. You would want a site that is also selling window coverings of some kind pointing back at your site. So SEO Quake again helps us see that you have just over 2,000, well, nearly 3,000 backlinks, and 377 are referring back to your page. So your Awnings, or Arizona Awnings here, they are not as high ranked with those backlinks. But one thing with backlinks that you definitely want to understand is that when we look at your backlinks, you want to make sure that these are trusted sites and not just any site. So you have these ratings here. This is domain rating and your URL rating. You want these to be an equivalent number that shows the trust factor, and your ratings are not equivalent. So you have a rating of 32 and 11. You want these numbers to be the same. So you want to get your domain rating up to an equivalent level of 32 with your backlinks. So we want to definitely work on the quality of your backlinks, and that's going to get you ranked higher up in Google. So again, what we went over was your content. You need about 1,500 words that are keyword rich. You're going to want at least one keyword per every 125 words. You want to have between 200 and 300 citations to beat out your competitors. And then you want to have relevant sites pointing at you to show Google that you're the authority. But what you need to work on is your trust factor with those backlinks that you're getting. And if you implement those strategies today, you'll be number 1 across Google. So what now? You can either do this on your own or you can give me a call. My name is Desiree and my phone number is 602-560-5428. Again, it is 602-560-5428. I look forward to hearing from you. Have a great day.